In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a British passport. So all applications are handled through the official UK government website, and that is this website over here called gov.uk. Please do not go to any other website except gov.uk. Now, you also need to make sure that you're eligible to apply for a passport. You must be a British citizen in order to apply. If you recently became a British citizen through naturalization, were born in the UK, or have British parent, you'll need proof of citizenship before even applying. Anyways, you want to go to the official gov.uk website over here, then in the search bar, look up apply, and then passport just like so. Then go ahead and select on it just like this, and then press on search right over here. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then you will get multiple different options. So you want to press on the one that best fits your current situation. So over here, if it's your first time ever getting an adult passport, please select on that link. Over here is British passport eligibility, which I recommend that you take a look at in general. And then over here, we have apply online for a UK passport. So we're just going to select on this one over here. But remember, there are other options that may be a little bit more specific to your situation. So then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, where it'll give you a brief overview on all the things you need, all the requirements and steps like that. So over here, it's going to give you a bunch of like different information and stuff like that. And obviously they will tell you about the fees and stuff, which is definitely really important to consider. So if you're 100% sure you want to apply, then go ahead and select on start now, and then it is going to begin asking you the survey. And from here, you'll need to enter proof of citizenship, your full name, etc., other personal information. But the most important part is to find out where the actual form is. And again, it is over at gov.uk. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.